bumpy the whole entire time. You said you'd be in the video, like, in the afternoon.
When did I say that?
In the afternoon.
No, I don't remember.
You said that. Yeah, you did. I won't tag you in there. I should! And he can say all this weird stuff. Oh my god, that'd be so funny. Thanks, Joanna. Just for that, I won't record you. And I won't say it was you.
No, you can record me. It's fine.
Okay.
No, I'm just kidding. Okay. We'll record Kevin again. He's like, everything's at Easter.
Oh my god.
Do it! Kevin! She wants to record you again.
Look like that. Happy. Okay.
Why do you always do that every time we do that? Just be like, hey, it's fucking so...
I don't know.
What the heck? Before they're doing it, are you recording?
That's embarrassing. Oh my god.
Kevin, can you do that again?
That's so cool. Wait, is that up? Yeah, it's up.
Oh, jeez!
No, wait, where's... I'm gonna sit right here. Nah. Oh, look. How come everyone doesn't want to be in front of the camera today? Oh, look, there's Megan.
I'm only doing
Just gonna wait.
So
Watch people come in.
Are you really putting on Facebook today?
No.
Okay, good.
Why would I put it on? Why would I put it on today?
Why would you put it on tomorrow? Or the next day?
Because I need to edit it, because I'm going to put them all together. Probably.
Are you gonna like put it together? Oh, is that what you said?
Yeah.
Jose!
How come no one wants to be in front of the camera? How come no one wants to look at it?
Get out of the way, Ryan. No, you're not.
Oh, it's a video.
No, you're not. Okay, hi. Hi, I'm Jocelyn. I don't know what to say. I'm just...
Oh my god.
Get one of Nick. Get Nick. I think that's the name.